For this express checkout problem, we've got a grocery order that has certain products. In the first example, it has bananas, soy milk, and peanut butter. And we're trying to see whether this particular order qualifies for the express checkout or not. So we look at the quantities of each product. There are 3 bananas, plus 1 soy milk, plus 1 peanut butter, for a total of 5 items. And this qualifies for the express checkout, which requires fewer than 8 items. So this should return true. In the second example, there are 3 bananas and 1 soy milk and 5 Twinkies for a total of 9 items. So in this case, the order does not qualify for express checkout. Now we'll implement the code in much the same way that we worked through the examples. We're going to look at each value in the dictionary and keep track of the total quantity of all the products, and then at the end we'll check to see whether that number is less than or equal to 8. So I'm going to make an accumulator variable that I'm going to name total quantity, and it will initially refer to 0. And then let's write a for loop over each of the keys in the dictionary. So for product, in the product to quantity dictionary, what we're trying to do is grow the accumulator variable, total quantity, and we'll add to it its current value plus the value in the dictionary associated with the key that we're working with. So the key is product. We're going to access the product to quantity dictionary. When we look up the key product, we get the value associated with it. And at the end, if the total quantity is less than or equal to 8, we return true. So when this expression produces true, that's what's returned. And when that expression produces false, we return false. So we'll save this, run it, try out our 2 example calls. And it works as expected.